What's up mga Kokote? Welcome sa Kuwader wherein learning is the name of the game. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aming YouTube channel, please click the like and subscribe for more updates. So in today's video, pag-uusapan naman natin ang angles, parallel lines pati transversal. Ang objective natin for this video is to be able to identify congruent angles when a line transverses the parallel lines pati to define transversals and parallel lines. Bago tayo dumako sa lesson natin ngayon, mag-recap muna tayo ng mga napag-usapan natin last lesson. Eto, if the three sides of the triangles are equal to the other triangle, therefore the two triangles are congruent. Anong triangle congruence theorem to? Tama! SSS or side-side-side theorem. Ito naman, if the two sides and one angle of the triangles are equal to other triangle, therefore the two triangles are congruent. Anong triangle congruence theorem to? Tama! SAS or side angle side theorem. How about this one? If the two angles and a side in between of the two angles of the triangles are equal to the other triangle, therefore the two triangles are congruent. Anong triangle congruence theorem to? Tama! ASA or angle side angle theorem. Eto, if the two angles and a side after two angles of the triangle are equal to the other triangles, therefore the two triangles are congruent. Anong triangle congruence theorem to? Tama! AAS or angle side theorem. Eto last, if the hypotenuse and the side of one right angle are equal to the other triangle, therefore the two triangles are congruent. Anong triangle congruence theorem to? Tama! RHS or right hypotenuse side theorem. Magaling at natatandaan nyo pa ang mga lesson at mga napag-uusapan natin last time. Dumako naman tayo sa lesson natin ngayon. I-define muna natin kung ano nga ba ang angles, lines, at transversal. We all know na ang angles are formed by two rays meeting at one or common endpoint. Parallel lines consist of two lines na hindi nagmi-meet or intersect. Then, ang transversals naman is yung line na nagko-cross sa dalawang lines. So, yung dalawang lines na tinutukoy ko is pwede siyang parallel or hindi. Para mas maintindihan natin, ito yung illustration. Yung green lines represents the parallel lines. As you can see, hindi sila nagmi-meet pag in-extend mo siya. Then, yung blue lines naman represents the transversal. As you can see, yung transversal is nagko-cross siya sa dalawang line. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are angles which are formed in matching corners with the transversal when two parallel lines are intersected by any other line. So, sa corresponding angle, yun yung dalawang pair ng angle na nasa same exact side ng transversal. Para mas maintindihan natin siya, ito, may example ako. Ito, example. Meron siyang 8 angles sa parallel at transversal. Ang sinasabing corresponding angles dito is yung dalawang pairs ng angle na nasa same exact side ng transversal. Katulad nito, angle A pati angle E ay corresponding angles kasi parehas yung sides ng angle A pati angle E. Kumbaga, congruent din sila. Ito pa, angle B at angle F. Again, corresponding angle sila kasi parehas yung pwesto or yung sides ng angle B pati angle F. Ito, isa pa. Pair angle C at G ay corresponding angles. Kasi again, parehas yung side ng angle B at angle F. Same with angle G pati angle H. Next is interior angle. Ang interior angles naman are formed in between two parallels. Kumbaga, nasa loob sila ng parallel lines. Para mas maintindihan natin, may example ako sa baba. Ang mga interior angle dyan is angle D, angle C, angle E, pati angle F. Next is alternate interior angle. Ang alternate interior angle naman are formed on the opposite sides of the transversal and in between two lines. So sa alternate interior angles naman, in two opposite sides sila nagfo-form at nasa loob pa rin sila ng parallel line. At dapat syempre congruent yung dalawang angles na yon. Para mas maintindihan natin, may example ako sa baba. Ang alternate interior angle dito ay angle D pati angle E. As you can see, alternate side sila, yung isa nasa kanan, tapos yung isa nasa kaliwa. Ito yung second kong example. Ang dalawang alternate interior angle dito ay ang angles F pati angle C. Again, alternate side sila, yung isa nasa right side sa baba, tapos yung isa is nasa kaliwa sa taas. Next naman is consecutive interior angles. Consecutive interior angles naman are formed on the same sides of the transversal and in between two lines. Kung sa alternate interior angles ay opposite side, sa consecutive interior angles naman is nasa same side sila na form at syempre nasa loob pa rin sila ng parallel line. Kung sa alternate interior angles ay congruent yung dalawang angle, sa consecutive interior angle naman, supplementary angle sila. So, pag pinag-add or pag pinagsama mo yung dalawang pair ng angle na yon, 180 degrees siya. Ito, may example daw sa baba para mas maintindihan natin. Ang consecutive interior angle naman dito is angle E pati angle C. Kasi same side sila, both angle ay na-form sa kanan. Ito yung second kong example. Ang dalawang consecutive interior angle dito ay angle D pati angle F. Again, na-form ang consecutive interior angles sa same side ng transversal. Next is exterior angle. Ang exterior angle naman ay na-form outside the two parallel. So, kung sa interior angle is na-form inside the two parallel, sa exterior angle naman ay na-form outside the two parallel. Para mas maintindihan natin, may example ako sa baba. Ang mga exterior angles dito is angles A, angle B, angle G, pati angle H. As you can see, yung mga exterior angle ay nasa labas sila ng dalawang parallel line. Next is alternate exterior angle. Ang alternate exterior angles naman ay ang angle that are formed on opposite sides of the transversal and syempre outside the two lines. So parang alternate interior angle din siya, kaso sa labas naman siya ng dalawang line. Again, napo-form ang exterior angle sa outside or sa opposite sides of the transversal. So ang ibig sabihin is, yung isa nasa kanan, then yung isa is nasa kaliwa. At dapat congruent yung dalawang angle. Para mas maintindihan natin, may example ako sa baba. Yung pair ng alternate exterior angle dito ay angle A at angle H. As you can see, yung isa is nasa left side sa baba, then yung isa is nasa right side sa taas, at nasa labas sila ng parallel line. Next example naman ng dalawang alternate exterior angle ay ang angles B at G. Again, alternate sila. So, yung isa is nasa kanan sa baba, tapos yung isa naman is nasa kaliwa sa taas. At syempre, nasa labas sila ng dalawang parallel lines. Next naman is vertical angle. Ang vertical angle naman ay ang dalawang angle na nakapwesto sa dalawang intersecting line. Para mas maintindihan natin, may example ako. Ang vertical angle dito is angle B at angle C. As you can see, nakapwesto sila sa dalawang intersecting line at syempre congruent din sila. Ito pa, linagay ko na yung mga possible vertical angles na makikita dito sa parallel at transversal. Ang mga vertical angles dito ay angles B and C, angles A and D, angles F and G, pati angles E and H. Okay, so review muna tayo para malaman kung naintindihan nyo ba talaga ang lesson. Ang gagawin nyo lang is, ibibigay nyo yung mga hinihingi sa tanong. Bibigyan ko lang kayo ng 10 seconds para magsagot. Dito sa parallel lines at transversal, alin-alin dito ang mga corresponding angles? Tama! Ang mga corresponding angles dito ay angles A and G, angles E and C, angles B and H, pati angles F and D. Dito naman, alin-alin dito yung mga interior angles. Tama! Ang mga interior angle dito ay ang angles E, angles F, angle G, pati angle H. Alin naman dito yung pair ng angles ng alternate interior angle? Tama! Ang mga alternate interior angle dito ay ang angles E and H, pati angles F and G. Alin naman dito yung mga consecutive interior angle? Tama! Ang mga consecutive interior angles dito ay ang angles E and G, pati angles F and H. Alin naman dito yung mga exterior angle? Tama! Ang mga exterior angles dito ay ang angles A, angles B, angle C, pati angle D. Alin naman dito yung pair ng angles na alternate exterior angle? Tama! Ang mga alternate exterior angle dito ay ang angles A and D, pati angles B and C. Alin naman dito yung pair ng vertical angles? Tama! Ang mga pair ng vertical angles dito ay angles angles A and F, angles B and E, angles G and D, pati angles H and C. Kung tama yung lahat ng sagot nyo, magaling! Kasi naintindihan nyo yung lesson natin ngayon. So, ito yung summary ng lesson natin. Corresponding angles are angles which are formed in matching corners with a transversal when two parallel lines are intersected by any other line. Interior angles are angles which are formed in between of two parallel lines. Alternate interior angles are angles that are formed on opposite sides of the transversal and inside the two lines. Consecutive interior angles are angles that are formed on the same sides of the transversal and inside the two lines. Exterior angles are angles which are formed outside the two parallel lines. Alternate exterior angles are angles that are formed on opposite sides of the transversal and outside the two lines. Then last, vertical angles are two angles lying on the opposite side of two intersecting lines. So that's all. Thank you guys for watching. I hope na nakatulong ito sa inyo. If you have question and suggestion, just comment down below. So once again, thank you guys and have a great day.